Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can apply or simply apply a glossary while translating in Deepl. So first of all, to apply a glossary, we need to own one at the first place. So simply just go to your Deepl translator, go to glossaries from here and simply click on new glossary and then click on continue. So from here, I'm going to choose, for example, test 1. So here we can choose source and the target. So here, for example, English, add term pair. I'm going to choose, for example, here, it can have up to 3. So I'm going to add here apple. Let's have here pong. Here, for example, door. Here we are going to say, for example, window. And then we are going to say document. And here we are going to say, for example, let's choose Arabic. Let's say something like this. And let's create our glossary. So now that the glossary test has been created, we have 3 different kind of types. So I'm going to choose first the English Arabic one. So let's see if it is working. So here we go, document. Now, you need to know, guys, as you can see. So you need to first understand that the glossaries are going to be only working on files. So when you create them through here, they're not going to work. So to actually make them work, you need to actually go to trusted files and upload the file in here. So we have created our glossary now. It is perfect, good. Now we need to actually select a file from our computer, and then this file should be in English, and it should translate this English text we're using the glossaries into Arabic, and the words in English are going to be translated to the word that we added in our glossary. And yeah, that was it. Thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.